4 ways facing your weaknesses can drive your success. When you think about the most successful people you know, do you ever think about their weaknesses? In today's world, with social media at an all-time high, we're always looking at people's highlight reels. We see smiles and photos and captions about happiness and success. But what about everything else? Your biggest role models have weaknesses too. Everyone does. So why are you reluctant to admit that you have them? Let's debunk that myth right now. Your weaknesses can drive your success if you let them. It starts with facing them, and it begins with these reasons why facing your weaknesses can help in the long run. 1. It boosts your strength. Here's the dichotomy. Admitting to your weaknesses actually makes you stronger. Ignoring a weakness doesn't make it go away. It makes it stay and fester. On the flip side, once you acknowledge that you're lacking in one area, you can learn how to improve. Day by day, you'll be able to transform that weakness into something much better. 2. You will be able to chase your dreams. With more focus on self-improvement, you're able actually to improve. Start it out with your weaknesses and strengths. Zoom out and take a look at your strengths and weaknesses. Think about what you're really good at. Ask some friends or family members. Then, think about the areas you lack in. This is an essential growing exercise for yourself, and it helps you to chase your dreams. 3. Get ahead of the game. Let's face it, when you feel weak, you may be a little hard on yourself. This could lead to negative self-talk, and if it continues in that direction, it could result in more serious issues, like depression or anxiety. Before it gets to that point, look at your weaknesses as areas for improvement rather than bad qualities. 4. It's about improvement. Facing your weaknesses isn't a fleeting game. It's a constant state of improvement. Sure, the improvement begins with facing your flaws, but it goes so far beyond that. Self-improvement is a remedy for anxieties, doubts, and insecurities. Being hard on yourself is hard. No one needs that. Instead, look at your weaknesses as candidates for improvement. Are you ready for a road to success? It starts with fessing up to who you are right now, thinking about who you want to be, and planning how you'll get there.